In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give store credit on Shopify. Store credit is a great way to reward loyal customers, offer compensation for an issue, or encourage someone to come back and shop with you again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the store credit settings in your Shopify admin, how to configure the details properly, and how to issue the credit so it's ready for your customer to use. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with different sections like orders, products, and so on. Click on Customers. This will open a list of all the customers in your store. Take a moment to locate the customer you want to give store credit to. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to search by name or email. When you find the right customer, click on their name to open their profile. Now you're inside that customer's information page. On this page, look to the right-hand sidebar. Here, Shopify shows different cards with customer-related details. Find the card labeled Store Credit. On that card, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click that pencil icon to make changes to this customer's store credit. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear where you can adjust the store credit settings. At the top of this pop-up, start by choosing the currency for the store credit. Make sure this matches the main currency of your store so the credit applies correctly at checkout. After selecting the currency, enter the amount of credit you want to issue. This could be a flat amount you've agreed on, like a refund value, a goodwill credit, or a promotional amount. Just below the currency and amount fields, you'll see a button that is currently labeled Doesn't Expire. This controls how long the store credit will be valid. Click on that button and another small pop-up will appear. On the left side, you can quickly choose options like no expiration or preset durations such as 1 year, 4 years, or 5 years from now. On the right side, there's a calendar if you want to pick a specific expiration date. Once you've selected the option that fits your policy, click Done at the bottom right of that pop-up to confirm your choice. After confirming the amount, currency, and expiration settings, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos, especially with the amount. When you're ready, look at the bottom right of the main pop-up window and click Issue Credit. Shopify will then apply that store credit to the customer's account. That's all you need to do. Your customer now has store credit available, and it will automatically be applied according to your store's checkout rules when they place their next order.